Hi guys!
Hi guys!
And welcome back to our channel, and today we'll show you how we face paint.
Hello Kitty!
Yay! I'm going to start with the white, and first I want to show approximately where the paint goes. So the bow will be here and another ear symmetrical.
So I'm gonna show it to Baba.
Like probably.
It looks like a number B.
Yeah, so now I'm going to grab a sponge. So now I'm just going to fill in white and here everywhere. Alright, we got the white parts. Let's add some pink.
Pink bow.
Mm-hmm.
And some glitter.
So let's place it over here like that. Alright, so that's the bow. We're going to add some glitter. Yellow for the nose. Alright, that is a cute nose. Now we're going to do outline.
Almost done.
And whiskers. You ready? Ta-da! You like it? Looks so cute.
Where's my lipstick?
True, let's do a lipstick. I like to use Q-tip.
Hello Kitty no have their
Some
mouth.
face paint. It's okay, but you have. Let's do your lipstick a little.
Pink?
Say cheese. Much better with the lipstick. You like it? Alright, thank you. Still recording?
SpongeBob is a sponge! SpongeBob is a sponge!
Yes,
He's
he is.
yellow, Jess. And Patrick is a star. And Squidward is a octopus. And Sandy is a squirrel.
Yes.
I know that.
Yes, good job.